Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share your Instagram story with a specific number of people. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then select the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Settings and Private. Then scroll down until you find Close Friends. And here you can edit your close friends list by adding or removing users. So simply select the users that you want to add. So the indicator there is the blue check mark, or remove the users that you want to remove from your close friends list. So their names will be beside a hello circle icon. So once you're done modifying your close friends list, select done, and then go back to your profile and try to create a story. Once you're satisfied with your story, at the bottom of your screen, there's a close friends button, and then just select that so that your story will be shared only to your close friends. Or once you already posted your story, you may also still modify your close friends list. So go to your story and click the green star icon. And then here you are free to again add and remove users to be included in your close friends list. And that's how you can easily share your Instagram story with specific people. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!